Hello educators!
Introducing a new feature that will make your students certified learners.
Now give certificates to your students once they acquire the particular skills. This will help them to showcase their skills with valid proof wherever required. Let's understand how you can enable this feature in a new course. Go to Store, click on Create Course and then start filling up the required fields. Scroll down and switch on the button for Student Certificate. Lastly, tap on Add Content. Your course has been successfully created. Once you enable the Student Certificate feature, your students will be able to see it by selecting the required course, tapping on certification available, then by buying that particular course to get the certificate. Now, you can view all your enrolled students by selecting the particular course and by clicking on Students in the left panel. Here, you can award certificates to your students by clicking on Give Certificates, selecting the students, and again clicking on Give Certificate. Students can see their certificates by clicking on the top left 3 lines on the home screen and selecting Course Certificates. From here, they can download and share their certificates on WhatsApp with others.
Note, you can also enable the Student Certificate feature in any of your previously created courses by selecting the particular course, clicking on the 3 dots on the top right, and then by tapping on Edit Course. Just switch on the certificate button and the course will be edited and saved with new changes. Go ahead and make your best courses more reliable and attractive. Thanks for watching.